In this video, I'll show you how to add Google Ads descriptions so your ads communicate value clearly and encourage users to click. Start by opening your Google Ads account and go to the left-hand menu. Click Campaigns, then select Asset Groups to access the creative elements tied to your campaign. If you manage multiple campaigns, double-check that the correct campaign is selected before continuing so your edits apply to the right ads. Inside the asset group, you'll see components like headlines, images, and descriptions. To add or edit descriptions, click the edit icon to open the asset editing view. In the description fields, type short and clear lines that explain the benefit of your offer. Google Ads usually allows up to 90 characters per description, so focus on concise messaging such as highlighting features, benefits, or a simple call to action. It's also helpful to create several different descriptions so the system can test combinations and learn which messaging performs best. Once you finish adding your descriptions, save your changes and review the preview to ensure everything reads naturally with your headlines. Subscribe for more simple Google Ads tutorials.